Next, let us explore the Concept Analytics page of the IBM System G social media solution. You can do so by clicking on the Concept Search button or the Concept icon within the menu bar. When doing so, you will see a search panel, which is using primarily GNIP to query historical tweets within the Twitterverse. First, let's specify a date range. Let's take, for example, the tweets from a 1-month period. So we'll define August 10th to September 8th. In this, we're going to include a search word, in our case, IBM. We can also specify intervals by day, hour, or even minute, and apply additional filters, such as only tweets conveying emotion, only tweets with positive sentiment, or only tweets with negative sentiment. Here we're going to define what we want to call our search. We'll call it IBM_August, since we're looking at tweets, including the word IBM from a period roughly beginning in August to the beginning of September. Let's click the search button. As you can see, our search has been created. We can see that in this 1-month period, there were roughly 568,000 tweets containing the word IBM. We can also analyze the frequency of those tweets by day. It looks like there was a big trend in the beginning of August that dropped off towards the middle of the month, and then some large event must have happened on 8/17 with roughly 33,000 tweets containing the word IBM. If we'd like, we can click on an individual day, and the system will query the tweets and give us a preview at the bottom of the screen. Here we can see there was a large announcement made regarding IBM on that given day. We can page through the results and load additional tweets if we would like to analyze them. Also included is the ability to export the search results. This is particularly useful if you'd like to explore a particular term, look for interesting behavior based on time periods, and then export those underlying tweets to a CSV file or Excel file and use them within analytics packages such as R or SPSS. If you would like, you can launch additional searches on the same console, say tweets including the word Watson. If we change this search to IBM August Watson and hit the search button, we will see that during the same period of time, roughly 732,000 tweets contained the word Watson. This is an interesting observation because it appears that more tweets contain the word Watson than tweets containing the word IBM. An interesting observation. Also noticeable is the separation in terms of the tweet frequency on each day. It appears that on tweets where we have low frequency of the word IBM, we actually have quite a substantial frequency of tweets with the word Watson. Here we see roughly 14,000 tweets containing IBM, however, almost 40,000 tweets containing the word Watson. As you explore tweets and their historical patterns, you can launch these bar charts next to each other and compare across time which words are more frequent on which dates. As described earlier in the scope identification page, this is particularly useful when designing channels within the system, because you can look for more popularly used words, such as Watson, and help craft your Twitter monitoring sessions based on the historical trends of those word occurrences.